Alright, 7.4. We're going to be evaluating logarithms and graph logarithmic functions. Your objective is students will be able to compare properties of two functions when represented in different ways. Okay, a logarithmic function is the inverse of an exponential function. Remember exponential function right here? This is what we were working with in the previous, in 7.2. Okay, your exponential growth and decay. Right? We're talking about that function. Now the inverse of this function, which they represent as this way, which I don't like how they use the variables here, is this. Okay, so the base of the exponential function is the base of the logarithmic function. Whatever the exponential function is equal to, that's what the log of the base is, and it's equal to the exponent of the base. All right? That seems very confusing, doesn't it? All right. So the best way to do this is by just doing some examples. Okay. So what we want to do is see these are logarithmic. How do I know that? Because it's log. Right? We want to write an exponential form. In other words, we want to rewrite it without the word log in it. That's what they're asking us to do. So what's the base of number 1? The base of log of the number 1 is 3. All right? Now remember, whatever this log is equal to is the exponent. So 4 is the exponent. And therefore this right here is what goes here. Now does this make sense? If I take 3 to the 4th power, will I get 81? Yes. Alright, number 2. The base of this log is 7. It's equal to 1, so that's the exponent. And it's equal to 7. Base of number 3 is 14. It's equal to the exponent, so it's 0, and therefore, and it's equal to 1. Now 14 to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So they could put any number in here if they wanted to, and still be the same. Number 4, the base of this log is 1/2. It's equal to -5. Okay, so that's my exponent, and then 32 is what it's equal to. And you can do any of these on the calculator and you will get these results. So these are correct. Right? So, again, I do not like how they put X and Y here. It's just doesn't stay consistent to what we've been doing in 7.2. Alright? So the best way to memorize this is just memorize this example. Just say log of base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. Alright? And then, 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. So if you memorize just an example, you should have no problem.